Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a quick example of app script that you can use or generate using Gemini. Uh, this is the sidebar, HTML 163 lines, and then code GS, which is 100 or so, 100 and, okay. 200, 300, 200 lines plus. Part of the reason why it's so long is because the help guide is quite verbose, and you can see it spins up an entire new document, which is quite nice. So let's go ahead and test what it does. I've got this wine list. I'm going to create a wine list from New World. So I grab the whole URL, the GID included. I go to the URL. I'm going to call this my New World wine list, and away we go. It's processing, and in a moment, it gives me a new document URL, and there it is. So you can see it's grouped the wines by uh, country and then by region. And these are not in alpha, so I could organize these by alpha, but you see that within just a couple seconds, I was able to generate from a spreadsheet a menu using Google Apps script right here. All right, thank you for watching, and uh, you can generate this code yourself using Gemini or Claude or Copilot. This is nothing sophisticated, just an idea for you to chew on. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy computing.